Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro. This is the existing Wi-Fi router. First, download the Mi Home application. Installation is complete. You create an account for yourself. Region: China. Add new device. Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro. Operation confirmed. Next. Select an existing Wi-Fi network. Enter the password of the existing Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone to Xiaomi repeater _30, then return to Mi Home app. Mi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Connected to Mi Repeater. Observe the LED on the device. Select the device installation location. Setup is complete. You see the results here. This is the new Wi-Fi network of Mi Repeater device. Your Mi's wireless network name changes to your existing Wi-Fi network name, ending with plus, and shares your router's wireless password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.